Hello everyone, how are you? I am sat here with my coffee, with my delicious steamed milk. Oh my gosh, it is so good, delicious. And I'm really enjoying the sunshine coming through. So I've got sun coming through here. Oh, beautiful sunshine, and it's dry. So what I've really enjoyed this morning is getting the washing outside. If you know me from my videos, I hate having wet washing in the house, so getting it outside brings me ridiculous amounts of joy. And when I was out there, I was just starting to notice some of the spring bulbs are coming through, the daffodils, the crocuses, and I put a load of bulbs in, and I to be honest, I think I've forgotten what I planted. So actually it's quite exciting sort of seeing what's emerging out of the soil. I have also planted some more bulbs because I just can't be helped. I love them. So I've planted an agapanthus, a couple of them actually, which I absolutely love. So I'm really hoping that they are going to take and they grow. I really am, because I completely love them. So yeah, so I've just really enjoyed getting out in the garden, and what I want to do is just bring some of that in. So I want to do a little bit of cleaning up and refreshing, and then try just to bring some of that spring into the home, because it just feels really positive. To do that, I've opened some of the windows, just letting the fresh air in is just so lovely after feeling sort of quite cooped up and everything recently. I just wanted to say that I hope this video is just a cozy, warm hug for you and a chat with a friend, because there obviously some really horrible things going on in the world, in Europe at the moment, and my heart goes out to you if you or your family or friends are caught up in that. And as I say, I'm not in any way sort of minimizing anything that what's happening by making this kind of video. I hope that yeah, it might just give you a moment of perhaps relaxation and calm, and possibly a bit of positivity, and maybe, I don't know, maybe a bit of escapism. But anyway, sending tons of love, and I'm gonna get on with bringing spring into my home. So I'm going to have a go at making a spring wreath. I'm using the wreath form that I had at Christmas time, the same one, and I'm even using the eucalyptus, some of the eucalyptus leaves that I used at Christmas time as well. Some of these were from Asda and some of them were from IKEA. And then I'm just going to feed in some more spring flowers. So these ones, the little yellow ones, I remember I got from the range, and I used them in my autumn wreath. But I think that they could work for spring as well. And literally I poke things in until I'm happy. And then this one also, the green, I really like that. And that one I also got from the range. Then I picked up some more flowers. So these were really pretty. These are from Asda, and they were only £1.50 per stem. And then I also got this really pretty blossom as well. So what I'm going to do is just keep building up the wreath, and then put some pretty ribbon on it, to make my spring wreath for the door. So just a quick tip, I'm sorting out my daffodils, and I've got a lovely vase, and I want my daffodils to stand up straight. And so what I like to do is make a grid with my sticky tape. It needs to be clear sticky tape so that you can't see it. But basically this is to make sure that the daffodils are going to stay standing up properly. And this does work really, really well. So you just really simply make a grid with sticky tape, and you then put your daffodils in, and that is it. I also got these really pretty hyacinths. They were only £3.50 for 3 bulbs, and they're just in a grey pot. But what I think I'm going to do is use a nice terracotta pot, but I'm just going to give this one a clean and a little paint so that it just looks pretty, so that I can display that, because they are going to be so lovely. They're the blue hyacinths, and they smell absolutely amazing when they come out.
Emily and I thought we'd have a go at making these wildflower seed bombs for the garden, for our garden, and possibly as little presents for others. I also gave the patio its first really good clean of the spring. I hoovered it first with my workshop vac, and then I used a patio cleaner to clean off any green algae that had appeared since the winter. I know I'm going to have to do this again before the summer, but it's good to get started. It's not Easter yet, but Emily really wanted to make some chocolate Easter nests. When I was editing this footage together, I kept thinking about how grown up she is and how much she's changed. I found this gorgeous footage of her from one of my first ever videos, which made me laugh and cry.
Hello friends, today we're making
white chocolate cookies.
And here's how we did it.
Yeah.
How much have you got, Emily?
2 and 6.
Good. Do you need more?
Yes.
Keep going. We are then going to cut up some white chocolate. So we've got some bars of white chocolate rather than going... It's gone on the floor.
I loved bringing the spring into my home today. I really needed it. If you're new here, then please consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!